So now we're at the airport. So we are going to have what? What? Today, guys, that is Divyansh's Universe. So I hope you like and subscribe. And today we are gonna unbox the A380-1000 ETIHAD airplane. So at first we will go to Arlanda Airport, and from there we will do a check-in and stuff, and then we will go on a domestic flight or international flight from Sweden to Amsterdam. Then from there we will unbox the aeroplane from Amsterdam to Abu Dhabi. So let's see how fun will it be. So we did check-in and security check. Well, baggage drop we already did. So now we're going to go to our gate, which is E7. Well, we're gonna take the elevator and go maybe to a playground. Who knows really? So let's explore the view. So basically now we are waiting for the boarding. It's now sky priority in the check-in, like the boarding. So in some minutes, group 4, which is us, we will enter in the aeroplane, and then I can show you a bit of the stuff. Soon we'll be arriving to unbox the A380 on Etihad Airlines. I hope it goes great. Bye. So we are at the flight. I got a smoothie. So they have onboard Wi-Fi here, but you might have to buy it. But if you're going on Euro bonus, then you can get it for free, I think. So let's wait until we unbox the airplane to the Netherlands. We have landed in Schiphol Airport. So now we're gonna do some bucket lists and gonna show you what we are gonna do from lots of things.
Nee, kijk, zulke dingen, je kunt het gewoon slecht maken. Is video nog? Nee, ik ken dat niet meer. Ik moet wel aanschaffen. Want die wilde nog geld gekregen. Ja, maar ja, ik ben alsof. Ja, ik ben toch alsof. Ja, dat is dus eigenlijk. Ja, kom op man. Nou.
So basically now we are gonna go to the aeroplane, which we're gonna unbox the A380 of Etihad. So let's see how it looks like. So basically now we're in the aeroplane. So let's unbox the A380 Etihad. At first we have the movie selection. Which one am I gonna watch? I'm watching Coco, it's my favorite. There's also map, which I don't like to watch. Go back. Yep, there's music, games, and TV shows that I don't like really a lot. But this is what they have actually. Wow. There's like normal. And I have lots of cushions, which is uncomfortable of course. Okay, I can't eat when I'm doing this, so I've put these other pillows somewhere else. No wonder when I'm gonna get to dinner. The blankets. Whose blanket is this? Is this your blanket? No, my blanket's here. Music and TV show. Let's see what's this. I think I don't like it, but not good. But I can say suggested. But okay, I guess not really good ones. And also you can do like this. There's some headphones and I'm gonna wear it like this stuff. And this is the view around here. I'll show you the bathroom in some minutes because we're gonna start taking off. So I hope I show you the bathroom in about some hours or minutes. Let's see.
الأظافر وسبيح فردية في مقعدكم في حال حسوس إضاءة. شكرا.
So basically it's 6 a.m. here, 6:40 now. So we have arrived to Abu Dhabi. I couldn't show you the bathroom, but I know that it was nice. This is the world map. This is how it looks from outside. It's a bit dark, but it will have light. So I see you down at Zayed International Airport in Abu Dhabi. We are now in Zayed International Airport. We just landed from our aeroplane from the A380-1000 airbus. It was kind of fun, really. So now we went through security check and I think immigration, yeah. So we will have some fun at this airport. Who knows, we could do something really. Or maybe a bucket list. Who knows? Well, now we're going to eat some food. So basically, we left the airport, but now we are in the aeroplane. Let's see the features what they have. Again, we have a TV with the same features. They don't have a flap like ours, but we only have a table. And we have some pillows. In fact, they gave us 2 pillows. And same thing, yeah. And charging plug. And this is where you plug your headphones. Blanket. And an instruction guide if you need evacuation. And a hanger. This hanger is new, actually. And so you see this thingy, it's being casted by E-Box, it says. Must be partners with ETIHAD, but who cares? I hope you follow the vlog. So let's see. We have arrived to Kolkata airport. This is our final destination. I'll see you in later videos. Like and subscribe on this channel, Divyansh's Universes. See you later. Bye. Like and subscribe to Divyansh's Universe.